my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a makeup tutorial, and this is pretty much like a soft glam type of tutorial. Honestly, don't even know what to name it yet because I didn't use that much foundation, and like I didn't want the eyeshadow to be too much. And yeah, I really love how this makeup turned out. And in this makeup tutorial, I am going to be using Merit Beauty, and I'm so excited to show you guys the Merit products I'm going to be using. This is my second time working with them. My first time working with them was on Instagram, which I'll leave right here. So if you don't know who Merit is, they are a minimalistic makeup brand, and they're also sold at Sephora too. And all their makeup has clean ingredients in it. They are vegan, cruelty free, and that's what I really love about their brand, because there's not a lot of cruelty-free makeup brands nowadays, or just like 100% healthy makeup products that would be good for your skin. So once you order from them, this is what your box will look like. I love the packaging. It's very basic, minimalistic, and that's what their brand is known for. And once you open it, you'll see this, less is more. And with your very first order, you will receive this purse, makeup pouch. You can do whatever with this. You can use this as a purse or a makeup pouch, and all the products come in here. You would also receive this card, and it just says, the antidote to the oversaturated world of beauty. For assistance, please email hi@meritbeauty.com. And since I did work with them in the past, I decided just to include the two products that I had used before. So this is the complexion stick. I had used this Merit tinted lip oil, this lengthening mascara from Merit, and lastly I have this highlighter balm from Merit in the color Cava, and these are all the products that I received from Merit. So thank you so much for sending me these. So without further ado, I'm just gonna show you guys how you can get this really cute, subtle, soft glam makeup look. All the products I'll be mentioning in this video will be listed, and a good majority of them would be high-end, just because I kind of want to match the theme of this video since Merit is from Sephora. But yeah, I'm just gonna I'm gonna go in with my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is literally one of my favorite palettes from Sephora. Like, look at the variety of colors that you can use, perfect for the fall, winter, and even just all year round. And I'm just gonna take my Luxie 265 tapered blending brush. Like, I can't really see the name of it because I had it for so long, and I'm just going to be taking raw sienna and warm taupe and blend those two together and just put it over here. Since my eyelid did crease a little, I'm just gonna take my sponge and just blend that out. And actually, before I do that, I'm gonna take tempera right here and just put it on my brow bone, just to make sure that the brow bone is set. Then I'm gonna go in with my Coastal Scents BRC N02 brush, and I love this brush so much. This is literally perfect for eyeshadow, and I forgot to mention that while I applied my brow product. I'm just gonna go in with Primavera, and I just love this color so much. It's so pretty, and I'm just gonna apply it right Perfecting complexion stick, but I received this in April when I worked with them in the past, and it's winter now. This would not match me at all, but this is what the stick looks like. And this stick does cover a lot, and you can layer it as well to make it full coverage, but it's not my color right now, so I'm just gonna go in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Stromboli. And oh yeah, my color in this stick is Camel, but I might get a lighter color next time so I can use it for my under eyes and not just for my face. Use that much, and I'm going to be taking a setting spray and just spray it on my sponge. Works so well. You don't even have to wear it just for like a minimalistic look either. You can do it for a light beat like this, and it doesn't make your makeup look patchy either, which I was a little worried about, but as you can see, it's not making my makeup look patchy, especially when I had applied powder first then this. They have two shades. They have this one and another one that's like more on the pinkier side, but I just got this one. I feel like it matched my skin tone more. Then I'm just going to be taking an eyeliner. It's from Essence, and I'm just going to put it on my waterline so my eyes can look more open, since the eyeshadow on the bottom kind of makes them look more closed. Then lastly, I'm just gonna set my face before I go in with the mascara and the lashes and all of that. So Wow. Then for the lashes, I'm going to be going in with these, and I got these from AliExpress. I'll try to link these in the description down below. I'm just gonna apply these on real quick, then we're gonna jump on into the lips. So I just got done putting on my lashes, and they're so cute, and I fixed up my eyebrows a little bit, did some touches with the eyeshadow, and I have put my little beauty mark right here. I naturally have one right here, but I just make it darker since the foundation covers it. And I had added the lengthening mascara on my lower lashes. So with the lips, I'm gonna go in with the Moret tinted lip oil, and this is gonna give me moisturization with a tint of color, and this is in the shade AU Natural. I am gonna line my lips since I want them to look a little bit notifications for me every time I upload, okay? Plus, I'm almost at 25,000 subscribers, and it'll mean so much to me if you guys would subscribe to join the Harmony. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.